Number 2, design strategy and methodology. Leverage existing standards. In this regard, the UX UI designer does not design in a vacuum. Namely, moi, as your humble UX designer, do not reinvent the wheel when I get a new UI project assignment. Tapping the pulse or enterprise-wide efforts of TIERS Social Services IT, if you will, I simply integrate existing UI design standards and other related project assets into overall THCR web app UI design and custom create any necessary UI design assets on a as-needed basis, thereby enabling rapid prototyping and quick deliverable turnaround. For this project alone, everything was completed within 5 working days, as shown in the center graphic. It was that quick when your creativity and logistical skill sets are well synced and in the zone. Now, for this design effort, 4 major resources were leveraged at once, namely, number 1, Texas HHS ESDG Style Guide. Number 2, State Portal UX Design Theme. Number 3, Business Requirements. And number 4, UX Designer Self-Creativity. I will go over each resource in detail. Number 1, Texas HHS ESDG Style Guide is the TIERS-based eligibility system designer guide, mandated by Texas HHS CIO Officer Donna Herring and Senior Director Jim Mashek of Social Services IT in 2016, and has been used in continual operation since that time. It is a typical UI design style guide you will see in regular corporate America, defining the look and feel of a web app, placement of specific graphical assets in the website real estate, be it master header, master footer, main menu, subsequent submenu palette, and equally crucial, creation of font icons to fulfill specific business needs. The ESDG Style Guide currently is released in version 2. However, with all major new assets, revisions, and updates undertaken for the past few years, ESDG Style Guide version 3 is being updated, scheduled for publication release toward later half of 2023 era. To secure a copy of ESDG Style Guide in PDF format, please contact yours truly, Leon Lee, and I will be happy to send you the direct link to Texas HHS Cloud SharePoint server. Moving on to number 2, State Portal UX Design Theme. State Portal is exactly what the design infers, that a major redesign of Texas HHS State Portal web app look and feel for internal employee associates and vested contractors were undertaken in 2020 era. When design theme was deployed, it projected a new look and feel across the entire state portal site, including web apps such as CCI and PT Inquiry. Therefore, for the THCR web app project, there was no need to reinvent the wheel. As UX designer, I simply took this 2020 era UI theme and incorporated its master header, master footer, and other related real estate design into the new THCR UI design. An optimal and efficient manner of reusing prior design. No need to create a new theme, since we want to preserve a consistent look and feel in website real estate layout across the entire state portal, THCR included. Concerning number 3, business requirements, on the right side of the presentation. As with any UX design project, you work with what you have. You, as senior UI designer, like me, do not have the luxury to state there is not sufficient requirements to commence the design. In this case, the THCR UI business requirements were only vested in 2 Word documents embedded with screen captures. One had to meticulously re-engineer the legacy web app user flow and transcribe it into the new web app layout. More details on this specific effort in later part of this webinar. Finally, dovetailing into number 4, UX designer self-creativity. This self-creativity is your major cutting-edge persona as UX designer. Key caveat is that you will see by instinct specific business propositions that can be enhanced, where new UI graphical assets reinforce web app end user usability, that the new UI web app is definitely more refined and superior to the legacy web app. Remember, UX UI design is far more than merely changing a color and placing a graphical file on a web page, for it is nothing less than an enterprise-wide holistic effort to convert raw business requirements into a full-fledged online digital solution that will be used across the entire Texas HHS TIERS organization.